There are a lot of people talking about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. It is the biggest topic in finance. Even people who say they hate it and claim not to own any of it are getting involved through proxies. What's that term coined by the CIA during the Kennedy administration? The one that was used in Independence Day? Plausible deniability. Look at the biggest name in the hate Bitcoin community, Warren Buffett. What is he investing in? Let's start with Apple. Apple Pay is making it possible for customers to use cryptocurrencies to pay for goods and services. It is only a matter of time before they start accepting it directly. The next Berkshire investment that I see is Verizon. Verizon launched a blockchain-based verification system to log press releases on Ethereum in October of last year. Next, look at Chevron. Well, 7 global oil and gas firms, including ExxonMobil and Chevron, launched a blockchain consortium in early 2019. The ability for the global oil market to use a single global transaction system would be huge. And it's possible today. Do you really think those companies are not working on that? How about in healthcare? With Merck doing blockchain trials with their suppliers, peers, and customers in the pharmaceutical industry. Or the fact that Bristol Myers Squibb has executives on board with Trek Therapeutics, PDC, a corporation developing treatments for serious infections that launched a pilot program in 2017 to use blockchain to track and ensure the quality, safety, and origins of essential products using a publicly verifiable, community-driven ecosystem, combining high-tech sensors, blockchain, and powered by smart contracts. Berkshire sold a lot of Barrick Gold recently, but they only cut their shares. They didn't completely erase it. And you may think that Barrick Gold may want to stay as far away from cryptocurrency as possible, given the obvious conflict of interest. And they've said so. But it's not true. They were already looking at the potential of digital tokens bought and sold on exchanges that represent not gold that they have mined, but gold that they can identify being in the ground that they will never have to mine. The biggest number of shares of a company owned by Berkshire is Bank of America. Bank of America may seem unfriendly to Bitcoin, but at the same time, they lead the banking industry with blockchain patents. They keep publishing little snippets about Bitcoin being bad and that central bank digital currencies will be the kryptonite for crypto. But if you understand what the central bank digital currencies really are, you'll know that's false. These new digital currencies will be on-ramps for the entire population of that country to move into Bitcoin and other cryptos. And they know that. Another example, U.S. Bank. Berkshire owns 131.1 million shares, and they are all in on Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain, you name it. Another one on the list is Bank of New York Mellon. Again, they are all in. How about Wells Fargo, who has been talking about piloting their own stablecoin for years? To sum up, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger may be some of the biggest haters of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency out there, but honestly, nobody cares. And anyone who looks at the companies that they are heavily invested in and what those companies are doing with blockchain, cryptocurrencies, or Bitcoin directly should not believe for 1 second that their plausible deniability has any meaning whatsoever. It's very implausible.